I'm G. Kumar of eastrovedica.com, and in this video we'll talk about the fourfold yoga and the divine objectives of the fourfold yoga. The objective of our fourfold yoga is self-perfection, as yoga is the art of conscious self-finding. We are the centers and knots of divine consciousness, as this world is a movement of Brahman in his own being. The universe is one of the rhythms of Brahman, his play with his own conscious delight, with the infinities of existence and the splendors of knowledge. He alone exists in se, free, absolute, eternal and perfect. He who is self-ruler, Swarat, and all-ruler, Samrat. We are the self-multiplications of that conscious delight, thrown into being to be his playmates in the eternal Vrindavan, which is the universe. The world is merely a formula, a rhythm and a symbol system expressing the Lord to himself in his own self-consciousness. We are like him in our outward being, terms of that formula, symbols of that system and notes of that rhythm, and in our inner being, one with his eternal essence, with absolute being, knowledge, bliss, with Satchitananda. Let us lead forward the Lord's movement, play out his play, work out his formula, execute his harmony, and express him through ourselves in his grand system by his grace. This is our joy and self-fulfillment, and the culminating point of the evolution of consciousness of humanity. We have to work out perfection and accomplish harmony, but we find here that we are confronted by the negative qualities. Ignorance, imperfection, grief, limitation, matter, etc. are merely the first terms of that formula. We have to reinterpret the formulary to find out the inner esoteric meaning. Why the negative qualities when he has been defined as positive? These negative qualities are merely the initial discords of that grand musician's harmony. Our aim is to construct perfection out of imperfection, to find infinity out of limitation, immortality in lieu of death, bliss out of the sorrow of the temporal, self-knowledge out of this welter of ignorance, and to discover spirit out of this ocean of inconscient matter. The noble objective of the fourfold yoga, therefore, is to work out this divine end for ourselves and for our brethren, so that this earth becomes a paradise of bliss.